Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Excel Bytes with today's Excel Bytes blog post. Today we're going to take a look at how we can use the new XLOOKUP function, one that's available only in Office 365, to dynamically sum a portion of a range of values that you have. This is something I learned from Mr. Excel, Bill Jelen, and in testing it out, found a really interesting feature of it that I wasn't aware of. So let's take a look and see how we can do this in Excel. So here's our scenario. I have a list of 20 products and their values, and I want to be able to choose two of the different products and get a sum of the values between those two products. So first what we're going to do is take a look at XLOOKUP. So again, as I mentioned, this is only available in Office 365. So I'm going to type equals XLOOKUP, hit tab, and my lookup value, I'm going to look up product 3, comma, in this range here, hit F4, and my return array is going to be the values here. Again, hit F4, close my parentheses, and I get 75,000. So if we look up product 3, 75,000, that's correct. Now if I want to look up product 8 equals XLOOKUP, I want to look up this value, comma, in this range. Again, I'll hit F4 to lock that, comma, and my return range or my return array is that range there. Again, F4, close my parentheses, hit enter, 98,000, product 8, 98,000, that's perfect. Now, what I want to do is I want to get the sum between those two. So between product 3 and product 8, if we look down at the bottom here, that's 339,900. So we're going to put that formula in here. But so I don't have to retype these two formulas, XLOOKUP functions that I just created, we're going to use our clipboard here to make it easier to build this formula. So in here, I'm going to highlight that first formula here, not including the equal sign, copy it, and notice it goes into my clipboard. And then I'm going to go down to the second formula. I'm going to do the same, copy it, excluding the equal sign, Control C to do that, hit escape. So now I have those both here. This was the first one I copied, that was the second. So now I can say equals sum, hit tab, and I'm going to click on the first one. It'll pop that into my formula. I'm going to put a colon, then click on the second one, it pastes that in there, close my parentheses, hit enter, and notice I have this formula here, and it totals 339,900. Again, exactly as what we saw if we highlighted that range here, look down here at the bottom, 339,900. And now I can change any of these values if I want to go to product 15. So from 3 to 8, I get 516,700. I go 3 down to 15. 516,700. It works perfectly. Now one thing I found out though is, let's say I chose here product 8 in the from, and I chose product 4 in the to. Even though those seem to be reversed and you wouldn't think they would work, I get a value of 264.9, and if I highlighted from product 4 to product 8, check down here, again 264.9. So it even works if you have those values reversed. And that's how you can use the XLOOKUP function to sum a dynamic range of values in Excel. So thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it beneficial, please share it, like it, or give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my blog at my website, excel-bytes.com, or any of the social networks you see below. Have a great day and happy excelling.